I'm attorney Mike Chauvin. Foreclosure is a fact of life these days here in mid-Michigan. And I talk to a lot of homeowners who don't understand that Michigan law entitles you to request a loan modification meeting with your lender if you respond to their notice of default, the notice that they send you, within 14 days after receiving the notice. If you respond and you request a loan modification meeting, then you get an additional 90 days. The lender cannot foreclose on your house until 90 days after the date of the notice. So you're able to stay in your house for that 90-day period. Then, if you're unable to reach some type of loan modification agreement with your lender, the foreclosure process takes 5 weeks. For 4 successive weeks, your lender publishes a notice in a local newspaper, and then on the 5th week, they conduct a sheriff's sale. After the sheriff's sale, you have 6 months to redeem your interest. It's called the redemption period. After the expiration of the 6-month redemption period, your lender can sue to evict you in a district court action. It's very similar to a landlord-tenant action. They call it holding over after expiration of the redemption period. So, here's what I want you to understand. Just because you're in pre-foreclosure does not mean you need to vacate your property. You don't have to move out right away. You're entitled to stay there for 3 months, plus the 6 weeks for the foreclosure by advertisement period, plus an additional 6 months for the redemption period. So in total, you can stay there for almost 11 months rent-free. Because of our current crisis and the overload on the banks, chances are your mortgage company is not going to be able to process your foreclosure by advertisement in the 5-week period that's prescribed by the statute. Chances are that's going to be closer to a 2-month period to get all that stuff done. So you've got 2 months plus the 3 months that's given to you for the loan mod plus the 6-month redemption period. So at the very least, you can stay in your house for 11 months rent and payment free. It's the law. Get educated so that you can make an informed decision regarding your financial security and the financial future of both you and your family. If you have any questions, contact me through my website. Thank you.